Nigga, you gay.
Listen, titty com.
Nigga, you gay. Faggot ass. Nigga.
Nigga.
This the biggest TV you ever seen, Nemo?
What?
It's the biggest TV you ever seen?
No.
In one person's room, I mean?
This is the next thing you're going to do for? Carlos TV is bigger than yours, right?
Carlos?
Yeah, Carlito.
Carlito. Gay, actually?
It actually helps because it's like in slow motion, so like it's just fast less longer.
No, they don't.
I really do. I just tried it right now and it's good.
Yeah, they're long on this look. Go on back.
So that's why I'm sorry.
Oh, what the hell? That shit is hella big.
Bigger than your mom.
It's a lot bigger than I thought.
Bigger than your dick.
You faggot. I'm almost got all the stickers. You need a few more.
I got all of them already.
Why are you the Red Power Ranger? Look, are you gay?
What red Power Ranger?
You're the Red Power Ranger. You have red all over your ass. What the hell is that?
I'm not wearing red.
No, Wolf, you fag. Wolf! Are you gay?
Yeah. Oh, look.
What
Look.
a little pig.
Oh, yeah, I'm not the one.
Yeah, I gotta survive longer. What the fuck was that?
Finally.
Oh, I have the upper left.
You have a lot more life left.
You wish, Grandmaster.
Grandmaster? That was the gayest shit ever.
Yeah, I found a way. After losing it so many times, I found a way how to do it.
You know, it was
And don't tell me how, I just